what we want to do is we want to interpret certain graphs. And to do that, we need to look at it whether it's linear, what the y-intercept, and what the x-intercept. So linear simply means, is the graph a curve or is it a line? And so if we look at this graph right here, it is a curve, so this is non-linear. Now, the y-intercept, we want to look and see where it intersects the y-axis. So the y-axis is this straight up and down line, and it intersects, it looks like it's 0. So the y-intercept is 0. And the x-intercept, we want to look where it intercepts the x-axis. So here it intercepts it actually twice. It's this spot, which the x-intercept is also 0, but it also intercepts out here just past 6, and we'll say that is 7. So our x-intercept is 0 and 7. If we look at this example down here, let's do the same thing. This one, it is a straight line, so this one is linear. And on a linear equation, we'll have one intercept for the y and one intercept for the x. In this case, the y-intercept looks like it intercepts at about -5. And the x-intercept looks like it intercepts at 1. And so there's our intercepts.